Nature's fury unleashed, a world at risk. Our planet, a marvel of beauty and power, is also a place of immense danger. Our planet is a place of incredible beauty and power. From the serene beaches that stretch endlessly to the majestic mountains that touch the sky, Earth is a treasure trove of natural wonders. From towering mountains to vast oceans, we are surrounded by natural wonders. The lush forests teeming with life and the rhythmic dance of ocean waves are a testament to nature's grandeur. But nature has a fierce side, capable of unleashing extreme weather events that leave a trail of destruction. Storm clouds gather ominously, signaling the approach of powerful forces that can reshape landscapes in an instant. Tornadoes rip through landscapes, leaving nothing but rubble in their wake. These swirling vortexes of wind can obliterate entire communities, turning homes into splinters and lives upside down. Hurricanes, with their howling winds and torrential rains, batter coastlines and flood entire cities. The sheer force of these storms can uproot trees, demolish buildings, and leave cities submerged underwater. Floods turn streets into raging rivers, sweeping away homes and possessions. The relentless surge of water can transform familiar neighborhoods into unrecognizable landscapes, leaving behind a trail of devastation. Blizzards bury towns under mountains of snow, isolating communities and bringing life to a standstill. The heavy snowfall can paralyze entire regions, cutting off access to essential services and trapping people in their homes. Wildfires rage across forests and grasslands, consuming everything in their path with terrifying speed. These infernos can spread rapidly, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, leaving behind a charred and desolate landscape. These events are becoming more frequent and intense, a stark reminder that our planet is changing and we are all vulnerable. The increasing frequency and severity of these natural disasters highlight the urgent need for understanding and preparedness. In this ever-changing world, it's more important than ever to understand the forces at play. Meteorologists and scientists work tirelessly to study climate patterns and predict future events, providing crucial information that can save lives. We must learn how to prepare for the unexpected and build resilience in the face of adversity. Communities around the world are implementing emergency preparedness drills and constructing resilient infrastructure to withstand the impact of natural disasters. Join me as we delve into the heart of extreme weather, exploring the science behind these phenomena and the human stories of survival and loss. Through the eyes of survivors and the expertise of researchers, we will uncover the profound impact of nature's fury and the resilience of the human spirit. Tornadoes, the whirling winds of destruction. These natural phenomena are both awe-inspiring and terrifying, capable of causing immense damage in a matter of moments. Imagine a column of wind, a swirling vortex of dust and debris, descending from the sky with the fury of 1,000 freight trains. The sheer power and unpredictability of a tornado make it one of nature's most formidable forces. This is the terrifying reality of a tornado, nature's most violent storm. Tornadoes can form in a matter of minutes, giving little warning to those in their path. Tornadoes form when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, creating an unstable atmosphere. This collision sets the stage for the development of these powerful storms. This clash of air masses generates powerful updrafts, pulling air upwards with incredible force. These updrafts are the initial building blocks of a tornado. As the updraft intensifies, it begins to rotate, forming a funnel cloud that stretches down from the thunderstorm. This rotating column of air is the precursor to a full-fledged tornado. When this funnel touches the ground, a tornado is born. The connection between the cloud and the earth marks the beginning of its destructive journey. With wind speeds that can exceed 300 miles per hour, tornadoes can level entire neighborhoods in seconds. The immense power of these winds can turn everyday objects into deadly missiles. Houses are reduced to splinters, trees are uprooted like weeds, and cars become airborne projectiles. The landscape is often unrecognizable in the aftermath of a tornado's rampage. The path of destruction left by a tornado serves as a stark reminder of the raw power nature can unleash. Entire communities can be devastated in the blink of an eye. But amidst the devastation, stories of survival emerge. These tales of endurance and bravery highlight the human spirit's resilience. Tales of people seeking shelter in basements, clinging to hope as the storm rages above. These moments of fear and uncertainty are etched into the memories of those who experience them. These stories are a testament to human resilience, our ability to adapt and overcome even in the face of overwhelming odds. Communities come together to rebuild, offering support and strength to one another. In the aftermath, volunteers and emergency responders play a crucial role in providing aid and comfort. Their efforts help to restore a sense of normalcy and hope. Meteorologists work tirelessly to track storm systems and provide early warnings. Their expertise and technology are vital in minimizing the impact of these deadly storms. Preparedness is key. Schools conduct tornado drills and families practice emergency plans to ensure they know what to do when a tornado strikes. The rebuilding process is long and arduous, but it is a testament to the strength and determination of those affected. New homes rise from the rubble, symbolizing hope and renewal. Community gatherings and memorials honor the lives lost and the resilience of survivors. These moments of reflection and solidarity bring people together in the face of tragedy. In the end, nature's tranquility returns, reminding us of the delicate balance between its beauty and its fury. The whirling winds of destruction may come and go, but the human spirit endures. Inside the eye of the storm hurricane's wrath, these powerful natural phenomena are both awe-inspiring and terrifying, showcasing the raw power of nature. Out at sea, where vast expanses of warm ocean water meet the atmosphere, another monster brews, the hurricane. These storms begin as tropical disturbances, small clusters of thunderstorms that draw energy from the warm ocean surface. Hurricanes are massive, swirling storms that form over tropical or subtropical waters. As they gather strength, they can span hundreds of miles with their spiral bands extending far from the center. Fueled by the heat energy released when water vapor condenses, they grow in size and intensity, developing an ominous spiral structure with a distinctive eye at the center. This eye is deceptively calm, surrounded by the eye wall, where the most severe weather occurs. Hurricanes are classified into 5 categories based on their wind speeds, with Category 5 being the most destructive. These categories help predict the potential damage and necessary precautions. These storms bring a triple threat: high winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surge. Each of these elements can cause significant damage on their own, but together they create a formidable force. The high winds can rip roofs off buildings, uproot trees, and toss vehicles around like toys. These winds can reach speeds of over 157 miles per hour in the most severe hurricanes. Torrential rainfall can lead to widespread flooding, inundating homes and businesses. This flooding can persist long after the storm has passed, causing ongoing challenges for affected communities. But it's the storm surge, a wall of water pushed ashore by the hurricane's winds, that often proves most devastating. This surge can reach heights of over 20 feet, sweeping away everything in its path. Storm surges can inundate coastal areas with feet of water, causing catastrophic damage and loss of life. The force of the water can erode coastlines, destroy buildings, and reshape entire landscapes. The aftermath of a hurricane is a scene of utter devastation. The landscape is often unrecognizable, with homes, businesses, and infrastructure severely damaged or destroyed. Homes are reduced to rubble, streets are littered with debris, and communities are left reeling from the impact. Recovery can take months or even years as people rebuild their lives and their homes. The resilience of these communities is tested, but their spirit often shines through in the face of such adversity. Section 4. Raging waters. When floods engulf our world. Water, the source of life, can also become a destructive force when it overwhelms its boundaries. Floods, often triggered by heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, or storm surges, turn familiar landscapes into treacherous waterways. They can occur suddenly with little warning, or develop gradually over time, but the result is always the same: widespread damage and disruption. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to the sound of rushing water. You look outside and see your street transformed into a river, the water rising rapidly. You grab your loved ones and scramble to higher ground, watching helplessly as the floodwaters consume your home and belongings. This is the reality for countless people who have experienced the terror of a flood. Floods don't discriminate. They can strike anywhere from rural communities to bustling cities. They can be caused by natural events like heavy rainfall or melting snow, or by human activities like deforestation or poorly designed drainage systems. Section 5. The unforgiving freeze. Blizzards and their icy grip. While some extreme weather events bring fire and fury, others arrive with an icy silence. Blizzards, those ferocious winter storms, blanket the landscape in a thick mantle of snow, bringing with them a unique set of challenges and dangers. Characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and frigid temperatures, blizzards can paralyze entire regions, turning everyday life into a struggle for survival. Imagine stepping outside your door to be greeted by a wall of white. The wind howls around you, whipping the snow into a blinding frenzy, making it impossible to see more than a few feet ahead. Visibility drops to near zero, making travel treacherous if not impossible. Roads become impassable, cars are buried under snowdrifts, and communities are cut off from the outside world. Blizzards test our limits, forcing us to confront the raw power of nature and the importance of preparedness. They remind us of the fragility of human infrastructure and the need for resilience in the face of adversity.